Okay, let's I think I left off doing the sanitary, so I think that let's do the vent. I think I'm gonna do the vent system now. Let me get rid of this text information. Okay, so again, I think I have my schedules. Let's look at the schedule. Plumbing fixture connection, fixture unit count. Let's look at that again. So that's 20. Drainage fixture units total 20. So when we go back to our plan and look at the total, I think it's going to be in the riser here. So let's rotate the section view. Okay, let's do that. Let's go back over in the sky, kind of widen this view out a little bit so we can take a look at the section view. Okay, and that should be 20. This fixture unit count should be 20. Should be. Okay, so we got total fixture units 20 based on our schedule is 20 total drainage fixture units. Okay, so the water closets total 12, right? Yeah, okay. I thought there were 3. There's 2. Okay, and that's 4 for my shower, 2 each. 4 for the lab, that's 1 each. Okay, vent is gonna be 20 because they usually carry the same. Cold water supply fixture units total is 26. That's gonna, after I create that system. And the hot water, there's no hot water for the water closet, so that's why that is blank. And the hot water total is gonna be 6 because we have 3 total, 1.5 each for the shower, and there's 2 of them, and 0.75 each for the lavatories. Okay, but let's start out with the vent system. Okay, so I think I'm going to start from the north side and work my way back down to the riser, which is here. So let's put a note on that. View, collaborate, annotate. I think I just want to use a text here, and we are going to put it about right there, and we come out here, and let's say vent riser, say vent riser, and well, what I could say is a 2-inch vent riser. Okay, escape, and look at these little nodes here and kind of make it look good. So that's the plot file. Okay, that's the plumbing plot waste. There's going to be a plumbing plot water. Okay, let's go back, which is going to be that guy, second level plumbing plot water, 1/4 inch. But let's go to the overall again, second level overall, and I'm gonna close the plot sheet down, or view down, and so we can start off with the first water closet, and I'm gonna look at this section view, guys. Okay, so we're gonna rotate clockwise and just take a look inside of this guy. So we're gonna need a 2-inch, and it's gonna be here. That's the water coming off of the back, so it's gonna feed into the fixture. But this node is for the vent. Let's make sure that it's like that. I'm gonna come up, and looks like I need to change something. The system is going to be, well, the pipe type is PVC. Do I only have PVC? Okay, PVC, and the system is a vent system, PVC vent. So it should turn green, which is a carryover from AutoCAD. So we'll use that. I think I can go, let's see. I might be able to go to, no, let's go back. Let's go back. Because what I want to do is look at the view and come up here. I need a clean out back here. Okay. Let's do this. And slope up. Because there's a clean out that goes here. It's going to be a wall clean out about right there. Yeah, okay. And I may have to go up because that's in the floor as it is. But you get the idea. There's going to be a wall clean out here. But I'm going to cap it, okay. But there should be a clean out here. So when I go back to my plot file here, what I'll do for my note is just to say here, man, I don't like that arrow. Just say wall clean out, which is WCO, exit. You want to keep changes? Yes. That looks a little weird. Let's do this. Let's try this again. I think that I'm gonna wall clean out and escape. Okay, do escape, which will give. Okay, say no. Okay, now I'm kind of out of the loop in what's going on. Enter. Nope. Delete. Escape. Yes. I think I know what might be going on. Text. And I think it's going to be here. Which one of these am I using? Why are two of them always showing? Okay, let's try this. I don't know what Revit is doing or what I'm doing. Who knows? Okay, escape. Cancel. Let's try that again. This is not working out. Text. Alignment. Let's go here. And wall clean out. Cancel. I'm gonna click in this space, on left click in this space. Jesus. And now escape. And then escape, I push escape again. So let's see, the process is here, whatever I want to call out, which is, let's say it's a 4-inch down to first level, right? So I click left here and 4-inch sanitary DN. Let's do that. So, and you click into any space in this environment that seems to make Revit happy, and escape, and now I can control how I want the leader to look. So, that's just the way it is. Wall clean out here. And then once you do it a couple of times, then it's just like, okay, well, that's not a big deal. but that's just the way it is. Okay, so we call those out, which is wall clean out, but it's going to turn here, but I need to make it come up, then go over. That's just, you know, that's it. Or you can go down in the basement or in the attic or in the ceiling of the first floor and create your clean out. You can do it like that, and it has to be 18 inches if it's more than 2 inches from any kind of obstruction, or if it can be 12 inches if it's if there's an obstruction there between, like a, I don't know, 2x4 or a beam or whatever. So when we look at, let's just take a look at that. Man, what am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? Just in case, I just want to show you guys what I'm talking about. Okay, so we go here and we look at that section. So in here, let's say for example, there's a something. Let's draw a detail line here, right? So if there's a duct or pipe or any kind of obstruction, because if it's 4 inches, it should be 18 inches, right? From this line to 6 here, something like that. So that should be a clearance of 18 inches because it's 4 inches. If it was 2 inch, it would be a 12-inch clearance. So nothing can be intruded into this space because of the tools that you need to clean out this. If it's going to be just a straight clean out and not a wall clean out. Okay, so let's do that. Let's go back to, I'm gonna turn that off and go back to, okay, I like it like that better. So I'm back to my vent system, and it should default to the vent system. And I need to go up in the ceiling spaces. The vent is 10'8", okay, from the floor. So we had 45 and 40. What's going on? Draw a pipe. I don't know what happened, but it should be this, and I should be able to come up. Oh, I know what happened. I forgot to change the elevation. All right. So let's go back, draw a pipe, change the elevation to 10'8". That's 10 space 8, 2 inches. And we're at 45, which is cool. We like that. 45. And now we can go over. I'm going to go down, kind of over here, because everything else I think I can tie into or fit another pipe, which is less than 2 inches from these 3 and these 3. So I'm going to collect all of the other ones. I'm going to go here, and I need to connect this pipe with this riser. Okay, so in order to do that, I think that what I'm going to do, let's do this. Let's create a wireframe, okay, and filter out. Let's filter out the sanitary. Man, look at all this. Is there any way to, I guess, I'm just going to remove. Can I remove? Okay, good. Remove. And say okay. And I need to set up a filtering system. Okay. And that is, I'm going to go to my graphics, filter, and let's edit, new. All document filters are defined and modified here. All document filters are defined and modified here. So edit, new, or new. And let's see, what have we got? Plumbing, sanitary waste. I think I'm going to, I can duplicate this, right? Yeah, duplicate. Let's duplicate. And, oh, that was the vent. Cancel. I chose the wrong one. Sanitary, plumbing, sanitary waste. Duplicate. Okay. And here, let's rename. Okay. Plumbing, sanitary. Plumbing, let's just call it sanitary sewer. Because there's, I guess it's like, sanitary sewer is collecting from the water closet. Okay. Sanitary waste is collecting from urinals, lavatories, showers. I guess, well, that would be acid. There's acid waste. There's grease waste, right? But those two distinctions between when you're looking at just your typical bathroom waste, sanitary sewer collects from if there's a water closet involved, right? But if there's no water closet involved, then it's sanitary waste. But it's a lot of you'll see on documents where even though there's no water closet connected to the system, it's labeled as sanitary sewer, and it's okay. But if there's an argument or if there's a discussion about it, that it would be true that the proper labeling would be sanitary waste has no water closet. Then it would be labeled sanitary sewer, SS, right? Or some people label it SW, right? And then there's sanitary or grease waste, right? Or acid waste, AW, GW, right? Okay. So what we have, I'm going to label it plumbing, sanitary sewer, plumbing SS. Okay. And let's go down here and see what kind of what is it, category we have. Okay, so I think that looks good. Pipes, insulation fittings, that's fine. Piping systems, I think that I'm gonna leave that out, I think. Let's go back over and all selected. System type is equals system, all selected. System type equals sanitary. Yeah, okay. Okay. Because the system type, let's say okay to this and add it. I can do this and type P, and it will go down. And this is what we just created. Let's say okay to that. And enabling filter visibility. Okay, let's keep that on because I want to check something. Because the system was sanitary. And just to make sure that is that. And when we go back to properties, system type was sanitary, okay? And we have several or a few other than what we got 4 other types of systems. Wait a minute. Okay, so we haven't created the water systems. Okay, we'll get to that later. What am I doing? What am I doing? Filters. Get out view filters, because I usually do the hotkeys VV. There it is. I usually don't go this route. So I usually type, I usually type just VV, and that brings that up. I know a lot of people type VG, and that brings it up too. But if you type VV, I mean, why move your finger over to get the V when you can just type two V's, right? So I usually type VV, and that gets me to the same place as the menu up here, filters or VG. And filters, visibility, I want to turn that off. Enabling filters, visibility. Enable filter, visibility off. I don't know what that is. Undo. Filters, enable filter. What if I turn that off and keep the visibility? So, okay, enable filter. I don't know what enable filter is. I don't know what that is. Enable filter. What if I turn both of them off? Did I turn both of them off? Nope. Let's see. I did. Enable filter. So if I turn enable filter on and keep the visibility off, then my system will not, then my plumbing system, sanitary sewer will not show. But if I turn both the enable filter off, then the system will show. Go figure that. So I'm going to turn the visibility off. I'm not going to I don't know what that is. Enable filter. Enable filter. What does that mean? So visibility is off. Whatever. Okay. Back to the matter at hand. So let's see. Where am I? I think I'm going to line these guys up. So let's modify this and align one pipe. You can see that dot there. Let's see. I can do that, and then to this pipe so that they're aligned. Okay. And let's see, what have we got here? Jesus. 23. Okay. So when we do that, I'm going to go back, and look at my section. And is that sloping? I think that's sloping. Can't be. Come on, man. What's going on here? This pipe is sloping? It's sloping up. Okay. Let's go back. It's sloping. I'm going to, man. Okay. So I'm going to stop it. No, I'm not going to. I'm going to here. Delete. Delete, and from here, draw a pipe without the slope, because I forgot to turn the slope off. Okay, here, 10 foot 8 at 45 or 135 or 45. What can I get? 135. That's good. 135. That's nice. Okay, we come around, and I should be able to line up. I hope I'm able to line up. Let's see what Revit does. I didn't get it. Okay, so we go here. Just gonna kind of get it in that area. So I know it's not sloping now, but what I need to do now, let's just line it up. We align one pipe with the other. Okay, and go back to the section view. Let's bring, okay, we still got it. Okay, and let's make sure that we get a nice fitting in our routing preferences. T, reducing sanitary. Is there a vent reducing? Reducing vent, that's the one I want. Okay, let's say okay to that and say okay to this. And let's just, I'm gonna drag this over there. Okay, yeah, now we got it. And so that it should count up the fixture units. I think it's gonna be 12. Okay, 12 because we got 2 water closets. Okay, and we can go back. Let's go back to our fixture unit count. Okay, so each water closet is 12, or each vent, where are we? Vent is 6. So we have 12 total. Okay, so that's why they showed us a 12. Okay, so I'm gonna stop it here, guys, and I hope that helped, and I'll talk to you guys later.